Hey everyone, I'm Bria from GeorgiaMSP, and today I'm sharing some Windows keyboard shortcuts you might not know, but you definitely should. These hidden gems can elevate your Windows experience, saving you serious time and making your workflow way smoother. So let's jump in. First up, we have Clipboard History. Are you tired of only pasting the last thing you copied? Well, if you press the Windows and V keys, you will open Clipboard History. Now you can see your recently copied items, you can pin important ones, and you can paste directly from the list into any word processor or text box on a browser, wherever. Just make sure that you set it up beforehand, because otherwise it won't work. And setup is super simple. You just open Settings, scroll down to Clipboard, and then you can toggle Clipboard History on or off. And once it's enabled, you're good to go. Next up, we have Emoji Keyboard. Are you finding yourself in a situation where you need to drop an emoji, symbol, or cowmoji, or maybe even a GIF? Well, if you hit Windows period, you will open the emoji panel where you can type any emojis that you want. You can get the GIFs, cowmojis, symbols, and you can also filter through them up here in this menu, so you can go by category. It's great for emails, Teams, or social posts. Now for something a little more pressing. If your screen ever freezes or goes black, do not worry and don't hold that power button just yet, because this shortcut will reset your graphics driver without restarting the entire system. All you have to do is press Windows, Ctrl Shift and B, and that'll reset your graphics. And there you go, your graphics are back in action. It's a hidden lifesaver, and I honestly don't know why it isn't made common knowledge. Next up, we have voice typing. Just use your voice to type in any text field with the Windows and H keys. This is great for hands-free notes or quick emails. Just make sure your mic is on and permissions are enabled. And just like that, you're using speech to text, which is great for accessibility, taking notes, multitasking, or anything of that nature. And it might look like it's not typing properly, but it is just a little bit of lag to let you finish your sentence. See, and you can even go into settings and toggle voice typing launcher to put it right into your text area when you type. You can put on automatic punctuation, you can change your default microphone, and it's just a really great tool for typing when you can't actively use your hands. And really quickly, because I know that the settings menu is actually in the way, here is the voice toggler. Once you click on your text field, it appears at the bottom of your screen, and when you're out of it, it goes away. So as soon as you click in, you can hit start and it'll start recording your typing just like that. Super simple, and it's very compact to keep it out of the way of any other work you're doing on the screen, which is always a plus. Next up on our list is fast app switching. If you need to switch between apps without reaching for your mouse, you just press Alt and Tab to quickly cycle through your open windows. And as soon as you release when you land on the one you want, it'll open it up. It's one of the fastest ways to multitask and navigate like a pro. And as a bonus, if you press Windows and Tab, it will open up an overview of your current desktops and windows. And it's perfect for organizing your space, which is something that I've actually touched on in a previous video, which you can find in the card and in the description below. Finally, if you're stepping away from your computer for a moment, you can press the Windows and L keys to instantly lock your screen. It's quick, it's secure, and it's especially perfect if you're working around others. Mastering just a few of these shortcuts can seriously level up your day-to-day workflow. These shortcuts are small but mighty, and once you start using them, you'll wonder how you even live without them. Do you want more quick Windows tips like this? Like and subscribe to GeorgiaMSP, and let us know in the comments, which shortcut do you use the most? See you next time! If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to GeorgiaMSP for more tech tips, how-to guides, and the latest IT news. We've got a lot more great content coming your way, so stick around!